Having trouble with a device on your Windows PC, an outdated or problematic driver could be the reason. In this guide, I'll show you how to update drivers using Device Manager and what to do if Windows can't find a newer driver. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results. You'll see your hardware organized into categories, such as display adapters, network adapters, keyboards, and sound devices. Find the device whose driver you want to update. Click the arrow beside its category to expand the list. Then right-click the device and select Update Driver. Windows will give you two options. Choose Search automatically for drivers if you want Windows to look for a compatible driver. If a newer driver is available, Windows can install it for you. If Device Manager says the best driver is already installed, don't assume that's the only option. Open Windows Update and check for available updates. Driver updates can sometimes be delivered through Windows Update instead. You can also install a driver manually. Download the correct driver from your device manufacturer's official website, then return to Update Driver and choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Select the driver location and continue with the installation. After updating a driver, restart your computer if Windows asks you to, then test the device to make sure it's working normally. If the problem started after an update, you can also open Properties, go to the Driver tab, and use Rollback Driver when available. And that's how to update drivers with Device Manager. Start with automatic updates, check Windows Update, and use the manufacturer's website when you need a manual installation. Yeah, just make sure you download drivers from a trusted official source.